Happy Monday, everybody. This is Derek here of the Chan Real Estate Group, and I just wanted to give you guys the weekly snapshot for the market activity in the GTA. And so, just wanted to help buyers and sellers sort of keep an eye on what's going on in this COVID market. And so, what we're noticing is that we've had our full April under our belt now. Next week we will have the news results from the Toronto Real Estate Board, which will actually give us the home price index and what's happening with the pricing trends overall. So that's going to be very helpful for us to interpret what's going on with the prices. But as the statistics are concerned, if you look at it, last week was actually pretty interesting. We had 562 new sales in the GTA, whereby we've had also an additional 1383 listings. And so a little bit higher than the week prior to that. And obviously we're still down year over year because the listing activity in 2019 was 4,353 and the sales in 2019 were 2,268. But I think what's happening right now is and sort of based on my sentiment when talking to the buyers, I know that people are sort of itching to get back out on the market. So I think what we're seeing here with the new activity is just, showing that people are wanting to get back into the market. They do want to have houses that close and get ready for the new school year. So, I suspect that once we get released from this COVID, there's probably going to be the floodgates are opening again, and a lot of buyers are going to be jumping back into the market. A lot of sellers will be also putting their homes on the market as well. So if we take a quick look at sort of what's happening with the condo market, relatively consistent with 174 sales last week and 542 new listings last week. As far as the freehold market is concerned, very similar as well. There was 388 transactions that took place last week, and the new listings was 841. And so again, like I mentioned before, we are down slightly. Well, not slightly. We are down, respective to the year before. This looks like it's the new baseline, though. If you look at sort of the trending, we're kind of flat here, which means that there are still actually sales going on across, freehold and condos. And so, as it relates to the price, April looks like we are very, very similar to last year. Marginal decrease year over year of 0.06. Obviously, we've come off the high peak and the momentum of the February and March market, but we're still very healthy, guys. So, when people are saying that, the market's going to come down, say 20 or 30%, I don't see it happening personally. I think that, what's going to end up happening is once we come out of COVID and the floodgates are open again, prices will start surging again. And so, unless there is, another crisis, a round two of COVID happening again, I think that this will be the new norm. So my suggestion is that if you are a buyer out there, it's a great time to get into the market. Good homes are still selling. Although we're not seeing a lot of multiple offers happening right now, the good homes that come out end up getting sold quickly and close to their asking price. But what's beneficial is that if you get into the market right now, because there's a lack of inventory, you won't have to compete when there's other buyers coming into the market once the markets open up. Okay. So again, if you guys have any questions regarding this data, if you guys want to see more information about a specific city or a neighborhood, we would be glad to answer any of those questions for you guys. Okay. So until next week, have a great week. Everybody stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.